What's up, guys? John here from Metra Electronics. We're showing off the new HE-AMB car kit. So this is the HE-AMB-CAR kit. So this is a full ambient lighting kit. It comes with all your strips for the dash. You also have strips for all the doors. Each door has actually a controller for it. So the controllers actually all link up together in the app. We also have little pieces for your door locks, if you want to put these in the door locks. These go on the floorboard, so you can shine down on the floorboard. And then you've got this remote, nice little card remote. So this actually links to all the controllers as well. You'll press and hold the purple button. It RF locks with all the remotes. So you can control it with the card remote, or we also have the Heist Connect app. So the Heist Connect app is part of the Heist Connect universe. In the Heist Connect universe, you can control everything that we make in our chasing product. So for more information, stop in at heistled.com and you can check out all the products that we have available in the Heist universe.